Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So it's been a very long time. It's been almost 5 or 6 days. I haven't posted any video. That is because I was traveling, and when I got back, I got sick. I had a very high fever, and still I'm recovering. But we cannot shut the shop. We have to move forward, right? So anyway, I was just waiting for the US this non-payroll form data which has come, and it is positive, I think. Let me go to this is the unemployment rate and non-farm payroll data. Yeah, this is the non-farm payroll data, non-farm payroll data, and it's at 315, right? So lower than expected, and this is a positive news. And you can see that in the US future itself, when our market closed, US future was down. It was flat, almost flat. But now Dow futures, Dow Jones is up by 200 points, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. So tomorrow we may gap up, and let us see how things pan out. SGX Nifty is almost flat, I think. Yeah, it's turned positive. SGX Nifty is also positive. So it is going to open gap up tomorrow morning, right? Now, this and all you know, or you will have the information, or I don't have to tell which stock went how many points, or which stock is having which stock is having how many weightage. That and all I don't have to talk to you. The question is, what is going to happen? What is going to be the future, or what is going to be the near future? If you can remember last few days back, or last week, even last week, I told I am short in the market. Last month I was short in the market. When everyone was bullish, I was bearish, and we ended the August month in green. This month also I am saying I am still bearish, and I hold significant call position. 18,000, 18,100, 18,200, 18,300 call option also I have sold in September series, right? That is because I believe this market is overvalued. Whatever is happening is speculation, or it is a just bluff by this FIIs and DIIs. One day they are selling for 1,000 crores, 2,000 crores. Next day they are buying for 3,000, 4,000 crores. And even today, I'm sure they would have sold for maybe, yeah, this is out here. They have sold for around 8.79 crores, and DAs have sold for 668 crores, right? Now, there is a I have seen many articles, and there are widespread speculation or rumors that this is going to be a bubble and it can burst anytime. Because what they are saying is, it is overvalued, markets are overvalued, Fed is in the race to increase the interest rate. Not only Fed, worldwide central banks are increasing the interest rate, and this bubble can burst anytime. So stocks, everything whatsoever is overvalued. So we can see the market crashing. That's what I told in today in our Telegram group, that there is going to be a bubble, but we don't know when it is going to happen. But whatsoever, I am bearish. I will short the market. I will continue to short the market. Even if it goes on the higher side, we don't have to worry, because I have sold everything when India VIX was high. Even if the market goes on the higher side, India VIX is going to drop, and everything is going to maybe I will end up in small losses or even small profit. Now when we talk about India VIX, India VIX is almost around 20. Nifty and Bank Nifty is near almost a lifetime high, right? Nifty lifetime high is 18,600. Nifty is at around 17,500, right? If there is no fear in the market, why India VIX is so high? You ask this simple question to yourself, right? If everybody is happy, markets are bullish, everyone is expecting the market to go on the higher side, why India VIX is so high? You tell me this simple, very simple question, right? They call India VIX, or to be precise, VIX means fear index. Whenever there is a fear in the market, VIX usually rises, right? If VIX is going on the higher side, market is also going on the higher side, don't you think this is contradictory? Something is wrong or something bad is going to happen. That is what I think, and that is why I have shorted the market. I don't regret to short the market. As I told, people say you shouldn't be shorting the market, you should be long in the market. I don't think so. I'll be short in the market no matter what happens. Even if it touches 18,000, we will manage one way or another, right? So that is what I believe. That is my perspective. Things are not looking good. We may go on the downside. That is what I think. And looking at the open interest, I think there are aggressive call rating, and I'll tell you, this last 2 days it was highly volatile, super volatile, moving up and down here and there. In fact, this series, September series, first week was super volatile. Like I haven't seen. In fact, many big traders I know, I follow, they have stopped trading. And when I asked them what happened, they said it is very hard to trade in this market, and they are not. Nobody is making money. That is the fact. I am not talking about any Twitter traders. If the market goes up, they make 40 lakhs. If the market comes down, they make 60 lakhs. If the market is sideways, they make 2 crore. No matter what happens, they make only profit. I don't know how. Right? They should, these hedge funds, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs and all are very poor guys, losing to this Twitter traders, right? They would have lost huge to these Twitter traders and all. Right? Anyway, that is the main subject here in Twitter. If you go and see in Twitter, even big guys, even including Zerodha founder Nitin Kamath, Sensible founder Adit Hassan, and even big guys are debating about this Twitter traders who's making. They are not posting in lakhs and all, only in crores. This thousands and all, they don't care at all. 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, nothing. Lakh crores only. Anyway, this is how markets are behaving, and this is how Twitter is. And looking at the open interest, 17,600, 17,900, this is our space, 18,000, and is having the highest open interest. Let us see how things pan out. Even if it gaps up tomorrow, I'll tell you what happens. It will maybe go 100 or 200 points up, then it will reverse. Then we don't know what is going to happen, only God knows. If it is gapping up, it is going to come down. If it is gapping down, it is going to come up. This is what is happening, right? In the process, it doesn't move anywhere. That's why I told, from last week to this week, Nifty has not moved anywhere. It is at 17,550 levels only. In between, it has gone to Ladakh and Kanyakumari, everywhere, and spoiling the retailers. And Bank Nifty also same scenario. More calls are being written than put options, so no point in you seeing this open interest and all, right? So everything whatever we predict happens in opposite direction, right? So let's see how things pan out. Still I'm saying I'm bearish. This data and all is factored into. No matter what happens, markets are likely to come down. Maybe here and there 100, 200 points it will go up and down. But at end of the day, I am bearish. I feel that the markets are overpriced, overvalued, and it is due for a good deep correction, right? That's what I can say. Right, let's see how things pan out. I think I have summarized everything. Let's see you. I'll see you tomorrow in a very good informative video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.